You are welcome once again to Mama Francisca's Kitchen. I'm your host, Mama Francisca. And today we are going to learn how to make Franca's Tuna Tomato Stew. And these are my ingredients. And please, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, Mama Francisca to the World, kindly do so because you have a lot of goodies there. My tutorials, marriage, love, and relationship videos, and that's all. So, please, after subscribing, click on the notification button so that whenever we upload videos, you'll be the first person to like it. Now, let's start. My ingredients are blended fresh tomatoes, blended onions, sliced onions, tomato paste, milled or powdered pepper, shrimp powder, pakoshito or what you call green habanero, already washed smoked tuna, sliced green pepper, non-cholesterol oil. And my tools are wooden spoon, non-stick pan, and my clean napkins. Okay, let's start. But please, if you have not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, don't forget, it's Mama Francisca to the World. Subscribe now. And like my page on Facebook, Mama Francisca's Kitchen. Okay, now let's start. This is our saucepan. We are first going to cook our fresh tomatoes for a while. Making sure the water in the tomatoes minimize a little. Okay. Meanwhile, if you want the best vocational technical school in Ghana to attend, then I introduce to you Franca Vocational School in Agona Suedro, Ghana. Their courses are fashion designing, catering, event and floral decor, hat making, cake decoration and sugar craft, building construction, and electricals. For enquiries, call 020-819-427. You may also visit their website www.frankiv.org. When you say Frankiv, they say academicians, it's close. Okay, so let's check the texture, how I want it. I think I like the texture now. So we are going to pour it into the ceramic bowl, wash our bowl, and come and continue with our cooking. Let's wait. Okay, so let's pour it into our ceramic bowl or whichever bowl you want to put in, except the plastic ones. Okay, we're going to wash our saucepan and we shall be back. Okay, we are back. At this point, I've put the saucepan on fire. I'm going to pour our oil into it so that we can start with the frying of our smoked tuna. The quantity of the oil and all other vegetables depend on how much you want it. Okay. So now the first thing we are going to put in our oil is the smoked fish. You shouldn't allow the oil to become hot before putting in the fish. If not, it may start sparkling. And you may end up hurting yourself. So you have to put it in before the oil becomes hot. I tell you, if you prepare this for your husband, your fiancé, your fiancé, your mother, your visitors, they will love coming to you all the time. Okay, so at this time, you will now cover it with the lid. We will wait until it's a bit golden brown and then we turn. Okay, at this time, our fish is almost done. So we are going to remove everything. forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mama Francisca to the World, for the best tutorials ever. Talk shows and marriage and relationship videos. Kindly like our page on Facebook, Mama Francisca's Kitchen. Okay, so now we are done. Okay, so the first thing we are going to put in, and as usual, do not let the oil become very hot. The first thing is the blended onions. Take time so that it will not fall into your eyes. Okay, so now we have the blended onion in the oil. You have to keep stirring. Okay, so you keep stirring until the onions go down for the oil to be on top. Then you will know that it is time to add next ingredient, which is the blended fresh tomatoes that has been cooked anyway. Okay, so this is how it looks like. The oil is on top and the onion mixture is at the bottom. So I'm going to add my blended tomatoes. And the same procedure, the tomatoes has to also go down for the oil to be on top to signify that you have to add another ingredient to it. So if you want a vocational school where you learn catering, fashion designing, event and floral decor, cake decoration, then I introduce Panky Vocational School in Aguna Straight Road for you. Call 020815947 and speak to the proprietress so that you can be admitted to the school. Okay, just as I said, now the tomatoes are down whilst the oil is on top. So we are now going to add our tomato paste. If you prepare this for your visitors this weekend, none of them will like to go back to their house unless you teach them how to make it. So now I'm going to add the tomato paste. Okay. So you keep stirring until it's thoroughly mixed. And then you leave it on the fire for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the temperature of your fire. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mama Francisca to the World. Click on the notification button for updates, so that whenever we upload new videos, you'll be the first person to have it. Okay, let's continue. You see, this tuna tomato stew can be used to go with boiled rice. It can be used to prepare jollof. It can also be used to go with boiled yam, boiled plantain. And you can also use it for gari photo, which one of these days I'm going to teach you how to do it. Okay. So I'm going to put the lid on it and we wait between 5 to 10 minutes. Then we can put in other things. By the way, very soon our stew will be ready. Okay, so let's check again. Okay, so now we are going to add our paposhito to give it a flavor. And then add the bell pepper. Okay, so at this time We are now going to add a shrimp powder. You see, I don't like adding all those spices to my food because some of these spices, nobody knows where it came from. And there are times they may have been writing, certain ingredients on it, which I don't believe it. So I don't add numerous spices to my food. With the shrimp powder, it's okay. All right. Then I will now add salt to taste. This time I have to be very careful because you can keep correcting it instead of just adding everything at a go. At this time, you have to check so that if there should be any correction, you can do it now. Now, somebody should be here to taste this stew, the best ever. This is Franca's Tuna Tomato Stew, the best ever. Okay, so now we have some sliced onions here. This is the time we are going to put it in. This one, we want it to become a bit soft. And I tell you, it's very tasty. We are getting there. Okay, so you also add some fresh green pepper. I intentionally do it like this so that those vegetables will not become too soft. You may choose to add other vegetables, but this is what I want to add. Okay, so now finally we are going to put in our fried smoked tuna. God bless our homeland, Ghana, and make our nation great and strong. We will never get this anywhere except at Mama Francisca's kitchen in Ghana here. So our stew is ready. We only have to leave the fish in it for a few minutes, and then we can serve it with whatever we want to serve with. Please, if you are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, Mama Francisca to the World, kindly do so because we have a whole lot of tutorials coming and there are more also there. Also with my videos on relationship, marriage and dating and my talk shows. For orders, advertisement on our channel here, please call +233 542 619011. It's also on WhatsApp. Like my page on Facebook, Mama Francisca's Kitchen, and let's keep learning. Okay, I think we are done now. Wait for our service. Don't forget this one can be used for jollof, can be eaten with any ampesi as Ghanaians know, and can also be eaten with spaghetti, any kind of noodles, or banku. Okay, so let's wait for the end product. Okay, viewers, this is the end product. Let's have a close view of it. So this is it. Very appetizing, very tasty, the best of it all. All right, so this can be eaten with plain boiled rice, noodles, spaghetti, and it can be used for jollof or any of Ghanaian ampesi, boiled yam, boiled cassava, boiled plantain, boiled cocoyam, boiled, and boiled. Until I come your way once again. This is Mama Francisca. Bye-bye.